What is up, YouTube? Welcome to today's vlog. Today we have the Audi Q3 S line. We have a whole bunch of cool features, and honestly, they're hidden. My favorite one is in the glove box, but I'm gonna save that one for last because it's honestly something that is by far the coolest feature, and I've never seen this in any other car, period. The first thing that's hidden about this car, you guys will see right here, that we actually have our downhill descent cruise control. Now what this means is when you're going down the hill, you normally have to press the brake a certain amount of force. Let's say you have a trailer or whatever, a ton of weight, you have a ton of stuff in the back, and you're normally gonna gain speed. However, with this button, you simply push the button, boom, now it'll hold you at your speed without you accelerating down the hill uncontrollably. Coming in second, we have both our forward and reverse fog lights. Now what that is we obviously have our front ones that'll turn on our two corner angles, that way it'll shine at night so you can see to the left and to the right. And our second one, the reverse one, is so that if there's heavy fog, it'll actually shine bright red lights through your tail lights, brighter than your brake lights, that way that the people behind you will know that you're there. This is also really cool at night if somebody's brake checking you. You didn't hear that from me though. The third feature we have on this car is going to be the mirrors. These mirrors, as you can see right here, we have it being heated, and so you can turn these on to defrost your mirrors in the cold winter, or if you leave your windows cracked or whatever the case may be, this will remove the fog. And you see that we have this nice lovely armrest. This armrest is more than just looks, it's more than just a center console. You can actually raise it different increments so that way you have a more comfortable armrest for when you drive, and you can set your arm right on it and you can grab the steering wheel, and it's super easy, super user friendly. Now coming in last, and honestly the hidden feature of this Audi S line that I don't even have in my Audi Q5, you see right here, if we open the glove compartment, there's a little vent in there, which I'm going to shine in this light so you guys can see. You can see there's a little tiny vent in there, right? Now this vent is obviously in your glove compartment. Now you might be wondering, why would I ever want an air conditioning vent or a heated vent inside of my glove box? The reason why is for two different reasons. Let's say it's really, really cold outside and you have your gloves in the glove box. Obviously, then when you have the car on pre-running, it's going to heat up the box, therefore warming your gloves in your glove box, so that way you can drive with warm gloves. It's like, hello, that makes so much sense. But it goes even a step further. When it's hot out, then you have your air conditioning pumping through there, which obviously means if you're going on a long drive, aka a road trip, and this is a road trip vehicle, you can throw an energy drink or two energy drinks or a water in there, and then they're not sitting in the cup holders out here exposed to the sun. You always will have a colder drink than the room temperature, and this is super phenomenal, very well thought out, and I've never seen this in any other car, period, which I think is so cool. Without further ado, guys, please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment down below the word peaches if you guys watched until this point. And without further ado, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video when you guys are subscribed, obviously. And with nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.